She'll, be down in just a minute.
Woohoo! That is what I like to hear. Hey, now pull up a chair, partner.
She seems a real nice lady.
Oh, she's my everything, friend. From the womb to the tomb, I'm a lucky man. Hey, pull up a chair, partner. No need to stand on ceremony here. Well, come on! Take the weight off. We're right here next to me, partner. Well, ain't you a stiff one? Hey, sit down, will you? No harm done. That's an interesting way to make yourself at home, friend. That's it. Yes, settle in. Make yourself at home. Oh, hey!
Hey!
Ain't this just about perfect? One of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Then look at us, like a couple of old friends. It's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixins'. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. The food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it, you! How do you like it?
It's good. Different.
That meat is so tender. You know what? This place used to be a pig farm when we was kids. Before we lost our ma and pa. Horrible business.
Horrible.
But we still got each other, ain't that right, honey pie?
And we still know how to have a hog-killing time.
Here, that's for you.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. Where are my manners? Drinks.
Yeah, I could definitely use a drink.
Whew. That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more. Come on, honey.
What the hell is that?
It's an old Aberdeen home recipe. That one right there is in 1894.
Feels like someone's stabbing me in the head.
Come on, I thought I had a man here, not a boy. One more, and you and I both will go upstairs and have a lie down.
What the hell?
Oh, about time. Take whatever cat she has on and put it behind Mama.
just happened? What the hell? Those crazy sons of bitches got some explaining to do.